So you want to know if you can monetize your YouTube channel before you reach that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours mark? Yes, you can. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you the 3 best ways to start monetizing your YouTube channel. Now, I'm not talking about showing ads on your videos. In order to do this, you have to join the YouTube Partner Program. And their minimum requirement is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So what can you do if you're just starting out your YouTube channel, but you still want to make money? Well, I've got some advice to share with you in this video, so let's jump right into it. There are 3 different ways that you can monetize your YouTube channel without joining the YouTube Partner Program. The first way for you to start making money with your YouTube channel is affiliate income. And this is the easiest way to get started making money when you're first starting out on YouTube. It's also my favorite way for new creators to monetize your YouTube channel. And I'll explain this to you later on in the video. So make sure you watch all the way to the end. So how do you make money with affiliate income, and what is it really? Think of affiliate income as a sales commission. So there are lots of affiliate programs out there, and you can apply to be an affiliate for so many different companies. And all it really is you applying to sell their product and promote their product and send them leads. And in return for you sending them leads, they will pay you a sales commission for every sale that you convert from the leads that you send them. So think of it as you being a salesman for different companies. And the great thing is you can be a salesman for so many different products. You don't have to only commit to one product. So affiliate marketing gives you the freedom of being a freelancer and being able to promote whichever products you like and use while still retaining your independence. And the best part about affiliate marketing is you don't have to deal with any of the complicated stuff like customer service or returns or complaints. Once you've referred a sale, you get paid a commission and your job is done. That's why it's the best way for you to get started making money with your YouTube channel. The downside of affiliate marketing is you promoting someone else's product and they are getting the bulk of the profit. So how do we make sure we get a good return for the time investment that we put into creating videos that are promoting products? And that leads us into the second way for you to monetize your YouTube channel, is using digital products. Digital products that you create. And these can range all the way from a PDF guide to a digital book to a full-blown digital video course where you help your customers solve a very specific problem. The great thing about a digital course is it's scalable. Once you've done the work, once you've written the book or created the course or created the free guide, your work is done. Now all you need to do is market it through your videos. And this is the most powerful part about a digital product. You have massive leverage on it. So it's the same cost to sell one of your digital products as it is to sell 10 digital products, as it is to sell 100 digital products. And this is where you can use this amazing digital leverage to grow your income and expand your revenue from your YouTube channel. Now, creating and selling digital products is probably the most work. You have to put the most work in up front. But once you've invested the time up front, you can make sales 24/7, 365. And this is how you really scale a business. You can create more and more digital products that you can continue selling using your videos that are working as your very own salesman. And you can add in the bonus of having your own affiliates promote your product and you give them a sales commission so that they are getting a benefit for referring you sales and you making sales without having to promote your own product. And that's another whole level that you can get to once you've built out your digital products that you're selling. You can then leverage using the power of other people to promote your products and offering them an affiliate commission for promoting your products. And the third way for you to monetize your YouTube channel before you've reached that 1,000 subscriber mark is to have brand deals and sponsored videos. Now, this will be really hard to get brand deals and sponsorships as a new creator, but if you can show that you're delivering value, if you can show that you have a very specific audience that's very interested in the product or the brand that wants to sponsor your video, then it's a no-brainer for them. As long as you can show that you're going to deliver value in the video and that you're a trustworthy brand or YouTube channel, then they're going to want to work with you. But this is also the hardest way to monetize a new YouTube channel, because you have to show your brand that you can deliver value and your audience is actually interested in their product or business. If you can demonstrate to the business or brand that wants to sponsor your video that you are going to deliver value through your video, then it's a no-brainer for them to sponsor your video. And it's a great way to grow your income for your YouTube channel. My advice for new YouTubers when you're first starting out your YouTube channel is to start with affiliate marketing. This is the easiest way to get going because you can start promoting products and services that you love and use every single day. If you promote products that you use every single day, it's super easy for you to talk about it and create a video about it. And if you love it and you're passionate about it and you use it every day, you know what the benefits are of this product or service and you can explain them in a video really easily. And that's what I really want for you when you're starting out your YouTube channel. I want a low barrier to entry so that you can start making money really quickly and easily. And affiliate marketing very specific products that solve specific problems is the best way for you to get started because you can reduce the competition by focusing on a very specific product or service that solves a very specific problem. Reducing your competition is the best way for a new YouTuber to drive traffic that's going to convert into sales and help start making money for your YouTube channel. If you have any questions or queries about starting to make money with your YouTube channel, then let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. To find the best opportunities in your niche for affiliate income, watch our next video here where we talk you through how to reduce the competition and find very specific niche topics that you can start ranking videos for, getting views, getting traffic and converting sales.